Today I'm going to show you how you can configure your Google API. The first thing you must do is to click on the Credentials page. Once you are on this page, you will click on Select a Project and New Project. You will add the name of your new project and click on Create. Once your project is created, you can select the one you have created. And click on API. Here is where you are going to configure or add all the corresponding APIs so that it can work correctly your applications. You must add the following. You must verify that these are here enabled for your API. You can pause the video to verify which are. Now go to Credentials. Make sure that here you have the name of your project created, and now click on Create Credentials. Or once you are here, click on API Key. This will generate the key that you are going to enter inside your application in Apphive. Enter the settings of your application and now simply paste the key that you had generated and click on Add. This way you are going to be able to visualize all the